They were among the best of men ever to have walked the earth. Islam transformed them into better people, and with the grace of Allah, they managed to transform the whole world. They were monks at night, and they were reformers during the day. They lived and died for the sake of Islam. You know who they were? You want to know more about them? Join me on the companions of the Prophet ﷺ only on Peace TV.
Emulate the real role models who have given humanity plenty of reasons to smile. Join Asim Al Hakim in Companions of the Prophet, peace be upon him, coming soon only on Peace TV.